Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you usually see my face in the intro of the video, but today I am going to share with you how I paint my nails, because I just did these bad boys. I absolutely love them. They are gel nails, and I think that I am going to use the really cute nail decos that I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, you heard that right, Dollar Tree. These are the adorable bows. Oh my gosh, like I absolutely love these. So I think I'm gonna use a few of these on my set of nails today. And I also think I'm gonna go with like a pink and black kind of, maybe a little bit of sparkles, that type of moment today with, of course, the bows. So if you're interested in checking out how I'm gonna do that today, keep on watching. I have my UV light here. So I have already put on my base coat. The base coat that I'm using today is from ASP. I absolutely love this brand. I have the ASP top coat also. Love this. So the colors that I chose today, this is like a super duper hot pink. This is a black with sparkles. It's kind of like a midnight sky. And I have another like bright pink color. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I'm not sure. Sometimes I like to do different shades of the main color. So what I like to do is look at my hands and figure out what I want to go where. So I think I'm going to have a bow on this finger. I think a bow on my middle finger. So I'm going to use the pink zebra print bows. So the bow fingers are going to be black. These two fingers are going to be pink, pink, black, pink, black, pink, pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the blacks first. So this guy was black. I find it a lot easier to kind of like map out what you're planning before you like jump in. And oh my goodness, that's gonna need like a million coats. Okay, then this was actually, I'm gonna cure those. Okay, I kind of forget what the plan was for this hand. I do know that the middle finger is the bow finger. I will say though, this polish, the black, might be kind of opaque, but whoa, they definitely did not short out on the sparkles. Wow, it's so sparkly. I love it. It's so pretty. So I am going to cure those two. I'm so excited to use this color because it's gonna be so bright and pink. Two of my favorite things. Okay, so I think I have a plan for the pink. Okay, so since that there are two fingers side by side here, I think what I'm gonna do is this hand is gonna be all the super bright pink, and then I'll do my thumb with this pink, like the lighter pink. Then on this hand, because there's two bare fingers together, I think I'm gonna do a like what do you call it? Like a color grade. So I'll do the sparkle pink here, the bright ass pink, and so on. I think that's gonna look really freaking cool. So let's get that down. This pink is so nice. Oh my gosh, guys, look, it's like a freaking highlighter pink. Oh, and once it gets the other coats on, my goodness, it's gonna look so freaking pretty. And if you want to know about the products I used this time on my nails, I will leave that video linked down below if it's posted yet. I'm not sure, but if it is, it'll be in the description. If it's not, it'll be there in like a day or so. I love gel polish. No more sitting, waiting, blowing on your nails, busting out the hair dryer. And then if you have too many coats, it never dries. Oh, that was a freaking nightmare. Oh my gosh, that looks fire. It's actually coming off like a lighter pink on camera, and I actually have the white balance turned down. So that's strange, but oh, it's so nice in real life. It's my kind of pink. Okay, so there's the pinks, so I'm gonna cure them. Okay, so these guys are cured. I'm just gonna do the light sparkly pink on the pinky. There we go. Now I'm gonna cure it and work on the second coat, and I will see you when that's all done. Okay, so the second coat is completely done. This is what we're looking like as of right now. I think it's absolutely adorable. So I am going to use these bows. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the pink zebra print bows, which are these guys here. I wonder if they're gonna focus. Let's see. Oh yeah, kinda. You can see there's a little jewel in the middle. So freaking cute. I think those are gonna stand out nice on the black nails. I got this pack of bows at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Oh yes, $1.25. There is a few ways you can go ahead and affix those to your nails. You can use super glue, nail glue. You can also use some UV gel. You can use top coat. Whatever you prefer is perfectly okay. I think I am going to go old school. I'm gonna use some super glue. I'm gonna put a few dots on my nail and put that where I would like it. So let me put a few drops on my nail. There we go. And then I'm gonna pick the bow up and place it on the glue. Wait a little while so it dries nice and tight. Beautiful. So that's what we have so far. Isn't that freaking adorable? So now I'm going to do the same thing for the other finger. I think I want this one a little lower on my nail. Like there. I think I'm gonna be brave and I'm going to put the bow at the bottom of my nail. Oh, that's so cute! This is coming along perfectly. So now on the two bow fingers, I'm going to load gel polish around it and cure it so those bad boys will be stuck on forever. I'm going to try to put the builder gel on this one, and if it works, sweet. Because it doesn't have to be like perfect, because you're gonna see the bow 3D anyways. Okay, that seems pretty filled up. So I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Now I'm going to do the same on this one. I'm going to scoop some UV builder gel and just paint. Essentially what I'm trying to do is put the builder gel underneath the bow in all of the negative space, because the bow is straight and my nail is curved. So by putting builder gel around in the negative space, it makes it stronger and also doesn't really get caught on a bunch of things. Does that make sense? Okay, now I'm gonna cure that. It's nice putting the UV gel around any type of nail decor that doesn't like form with your nail into like a C shape. That guy's gonna be on there forever. So I'm going to throw some top coat on all of the nails. I'll cure them and I'll show you the completely finished product. Okay, so here is the final look. I think it's so adorable. I love to do mismatchy kind of nails. I always think it's so cute, and it's very eye-catching, you know? Like if you're gonna have something fancy done, you might as well make sure that everybody can see it. You know what I mean? Because this literally, just the paint alone took me like an hour and a half. Because you gotta paint, then cure, then paint, then cure. But I absolutely love it. Like, look how much sparkle is in the black polish. If you like these kind of videos of like how I do whatever, let me know. Don't forget to be following me on all my social medias. I've been trying to make my socials like pretty poppin' lately. And if this is the first time seeing a video, hey, what's up? I'm Amanda. I hope you really enjoy my fingers. You should probably hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other cool videos that I make. I promise next time you'll see my face. Anyways, guys, I love you so, so much, and I will see all of you in my next video.